Hey, what's up guys, it's Jason. Welcome to the channel. I recently purchased the Ring alarm system from Amazon for $199 and we're gonna talk about this in this video. So first we're gonna take a look at the package itself, what's in the box, and then we're gonna try to install the whole system. This is supposed to be a DIY system, so it shouldn't take too long to install the whole thing, hopefully. And also I have the front point security system installed in the house right now. So we're gonna do a little bit comparison between different components and the control panel. So let's take a look at the box first. I think in order to set up the Ring alarm system, you have to buy the initial setup package, which is like this. You have the, hopefully you can see it here. What's in the box? You have the base station, you have the keypad, you have a motion detector, a contact sensor, and the range extender. Alright, so let's open the box. And we got a menu on the top. This is the base station. This is the central hub for all your Ring devices. After that, we have another layer which has all the other components. So we have the keypad. So this allows user to arm and disarm their systems, view system status, and receive visual and audio feedbacks. And here you have the, I believe this is the contact sensor. This is for your door, your sliding windows. And here we have the motion sensor. And the last one is the range extender. I'm not sure if this is really needed for my house. Definitely not needed for small houses. So really I think they should just skip the package for this. And this will be perfect for initial setup. For the components, we have the charger, another charger, and the installation kit. Alright, so that's a quick walkthrough for the package. Of course, you can buy additional components to the system and make it more complete for your home security needs. So for me, I also purchased additional motion sensor because I have two living areas that I want to monitor, and I also bought additional contact sensor. All right, let's set up. Here we go. Ring alarm getting started. Connect your base station. We're supposed to download a Ring app. So first of all, let's try to add the base station into the Ring app. So let's bring up the Ring app. Devices. Okay, let's click on add a device. Let's add alarm. Add a location. All right. Have your Wi-Fi password handy and connect your base station to a power outlet. Add it here. Let's continue. Press the pairing button on the rear. This one. Okay, when the illuminated ring on the top starts to spin, tap Find My Base Station. Okay, so I'm gonna tap. Okay, connecting. How your Ring alarm will connect to the internet. Let's do wireless for now. Success! Your Ring alarm base station is set up. Great! Let's continue. Save first contact. Okay. I think it's installing the update right now. Wow, is this triggered by itself? Oh, I think the system just added the Ring keypad by itself. So I think the keypad and the base station are ready now. Let's add the contact sensor. So next step, I think we're supposed to pull the tab or the sticker out of each device, and it'll start registering with the base station. Oh, I like that part. This is pretty cool. You hear that? It just registered. So next, let's do the motion sensor. Pull the tab. So everything is added. Okay, so next step is to install each one of these devices. So I'm gonna leave the base station and keypad right here, and I'm gonna start installing the contact sensor and the motion sensor. So based on the instruction, you can use adhesive or screws to attach the sensor and then place a sensor onto its bracket. And hopefully you can see this. This is my front door. And you can see this sensor here is from front point. And look at this sensor. Oh God, this is huge comparing to that sensor. What are you doing? Are you trying to help? So this is from the contact sensor installation kit, and they do have the other part for the contact sensor, and they do have a plate underneath, and they have the tape to tape that onto the wall or the frame of the door. So right. Okay. So this is a plate for the motion sensor. To install this, let's first attach the tape onto the side. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna peel this off, and we're gonna mount it onto the corner of the surface. So I think that's good. And we just have to click this in. That's it. So I've done the installation, although I only installed the contact sensor, the motion detector. It doesn't take me a long time to install. Basically, I think for the initial package, you only need for probably 30-40 minutes to do the installation. So if you're like me, you don't want to screw anything, you don't want to drill anything, this is a good start DIY security system. The fact that it separates the base station and the keypad makes the keypad very portable and very small. I think that's the only thing you need to mount onto your wall, which I think you need 2 screws. That's it. Anything else, you can either the base station you can hide away with your router anywhere in the house. Another thing I like the Ring alarm system is the plan, and this is the major reason I will choose the Ring alarm system over the front point. Is that the plan is very affordable. So after you install the system, you got about 30-day trial period, which is always good. You can try different things, you can try out. If you don't like it, you can return it. Another big plus is it doesn't require a subscription plan for the whole system to work. You can just leave the system on and don't pay any monthly fees. So their basic plan starts with only $3 a month. And if you want to pay annually, you only have to pay $30 for a year. And the Plus plan, you pay $10 a month or $100 a year. So compared to any other services, this is very affordable. I think the front point security system, I gotta pay for $35 minimum per month, and it's up to $50 per month. So what do you got for the Plus plan? You have the 24/7 professional monitoring. That means if someone breaks into your house, they will call you, they will call the secondary phone, and they will dispatch the police after that. With the Plus plan, you also get the unlimited camera monitoring. With the basic, you only have 1 camera monitoring. So let's say you want to install a doorbell in the front, you want to install 2 or 3 separate cameras around the house, you're better off getting the Plus plan. And with the Plus plan, you get 10% off for any device you buy from Ring in the future. So my advice is get the initial package first, don't buy anything else, get the Plus plan if you wanted to, and purchase the rest. Another big plus for the subscription plan from Ring is that there's no long-term contract. So basically you can start monitoring right away and you can cancel anytime. This is totally different than any other security system on the market. They usually require you to get into a 3-year contract. And for me, I hate long-term relationship. Don't tell my wife that. So another thing I like the Ring system is that you can kind of group different sensors into different groups. So for example, the Ring system has 3 modes. You have disarm, you have home, or you have away. Let's say you want to turn on all the sensors while you are away, but you want to disable the sensor on the window door to the yard while you are at home. You can just exclude that sensor from the home mode. The sensor is still monitoring, but it won't trigger anything. A couple of things I noticed that I wish it could do better. One is the contact sensor. Like I mentioned before, it's huge comparing to the contact sensor from front point, and that's very visible once you install that onto the door. Another thing is the current Ring system does not work with any smart home devices like the HomeKit, Google Home, Alexa, none of those. It is in the future map for the company though, but that's a maybe. Alright guys, this is my initial review on the Ring alarm system. Obviously I just got the package, I don't know all the features yet, so as I use it more and more, I will have future updates through this channel. If you have any questions on the Ring alarm system, leave a comment below and subscribe if you enjoy this video. And see you guys next time.